What if I told you your food is being heated by invisible waves, making molecules spin? No fire, no hot plate, no glowing metal. So, how does it get hot? A microwave oven does not heat food from the outside. It sends out special electromagnetic waves. These waves move through the food. Inside the food, there are water molecules. Water molecules have a positive side and a negative side. When the microwave waves hit them, they begin to rotate back and forth, millions of times per second. This rapid movement creates friction, and friction creates heat. The more the molecules move, the hotter the food becomes. Not fire, not burning, just invisible waves making tiny molecules spin.